Sure, abuti honestly.
You must trust the process. You must trust the process. That's what I want to say to you. As jy kan die Nadia blokkie. Wat soek die mense hier? Het hulle nie 'n party, het hulle nie live sien. So blok julle die mense, ons sien lastige mense, blok die mense. Somebody says, yeah, they say they'll remove Sharifa. Sharifa is very, very, very talented. I remember Sharifa came to me one day. Very few people did what Sharifa did. She says to me, Press, I don't think I'm the right person. I don't know politics. I just want to help our people. Ek sê, my seconds is moeg geslap. Net so. After we worked a day, I don't know where we were. Sharifa comes to me. She says to me, Sharifa Obray says to me, Press, sy kan nie vir my maak. Ek dink ek is die regte mens. Ek ken nie politiek nie. Ek is maar net jong ons mense te help. Ek sê my sy gaan slaap, sy's moeg. Look at her today. We never ask her to insult people. We build her. Today she's a deputy speaker. I look at Mela today. A leader. People. Politics is not what you know, it's how your heart is for the people. The only requirement is for you to love people. Lord, hulle laat staan hulle dingetjies. Stop fighting. Stop arguing with people over nonsense. Let's help each other. Let us help each other. There's no person of the PA that will be stranded if they remove you. Wat kan ook remove? As hulle you remove, ons remove ook. Ons is mos nie 'n desperate party nie. As 'n remove for a remove. They remove ons mense, ons remove ook julle mense. Ons bysaam is hier. Veel is ek die grond. Yo, I miss the ground. But guys, you must always take decisions that you can live with. You know, PE is growing so much that I've not even spoken, and I'm using Bradley as an example because they got a by-election. Mary is an example, they have a by-election. Walid, I don't even phone those people to hear what's happening there. I haven't phoned Elzan here to hear what's happening there because we trust that the Patriots will, Donaldo and them, Bentham and them, will do the right thing there. Nadine, hulle sal die regte ding doen na. Mary, hulle gaan die regte ding doen na so. Persig, die regte ding sal gebeur daar. Because we trust our leadership. That's Mitas. He proved. He won that award. He's the mayor now. Congratulations, mayor. He proved. He proved that if your leadership trusts you, you'll do the right thing. So, Patriots, I need to explain to you something. From the bottom of my heart, we are family. So tonight, I just wanted you to know, have patience with each other. Be there for each other. They say, where are the jobs? People are getting jobs left, right, and center. People are getting jobs right, left, and center. People are getting jobs right, left, and center, and we're not done. It's only the beginning. It's only the beginning. And I want to thank the people that really work the ground. I want to thank you, and don't think we don't know what's happening in the PA. Thank you, Patriots. Thank you, Patriots. Ons gaan die ding bou. And we are winning. We are winning. We told Ratika to stand back. To concentrate now on a campaign where no ruk die ding. Ratika can't sit the whole day in parliament there. Ratika moet nou kom werk op die grond. And everybody must rally behind Ratika. Whether you like Ratika, whether you agree with Ratika, but it's about the Patriotic Alliance. All the mayoral candidates, julle moet wegkom. Maak seker. You know, in that ward, you got Viron staying there, you've got Chet staying there, and they've been doing stuff for people, good stuff for people. It's now that we'll see in the result of the votes. Because we are family. I love you guys with all my heart. And I want you guys to love each other the way that you love me and the way that I love you. That's all wat ek vir julle vra. Ore Ruby Here my. I want to look from heaven one day and see this thing is growing more than what I left it. Ons wen. Do you know, I'll tell you 2 facts about the PA that you might not know. There's people like Larissa Kaiser. They're always on the ground. I don't know if Larissa ever a job gekry or what, but she's on the ground. Maar jy sien nie, hulle klaar nie. Plants hulle, myrtle hulle, the strides. Die mense is altyd op die grond, maar hulle klaar nie. Reinaldo hulle. Wat het die mense gekry by die party? Maar they love the party. Hulle is lief vir die party. 2 facts that you know. Number 1, PA is the only party that grew in the last election. It's a fact. The Patriotic Alliance is the only party that grew after the election. MK wasn't there before the last election. PA was the only party that grew. Now, if you tell me I don't like this mayor, it's not about the mayor. It's about the vision of the party. Julle like vir julle perfect hou. There is no perfect. Ek is nie perfect hier. As jy perfect gaat soek vir 'n pope, gaat vote vir 'n pope. Ek is nie 'n popie. I'm not perfect. Fine. Some of you, you are fine until you get a salary. Yo, ek weet nie maak geld so amper ander ding gesê. Ek weet nie maak geld so Mali. I don't know. Does money make you go crazy? Werk net vir die PA, dis al. Ons werk nie vir persone hier nie. I was saying to somebody today, people say, oh, Gayton is just using the Patriots. For what? For what? Tell me if you say I'm using Patriots. For what? You know, you must respect people. You know, the guys in Mitchell's Plain, Zonala, they asked me 2 months ago to come and speak at the hill. Sunday was my son's confirmation. Yesterday was his confirmation. I went to church to the confirmation. We then had a lunch at the Houghton Hotel for 100 of his people invited. While the lunch was on, I couldn't eat dessert. The whole family were there in Joburg. He called his friends, his soccer team, his coaches, you know. While we were having lunch, I couldn't eat dessert because I was on a 3 o'clock flight. I had to leave at 2 o'clock to go to Cape Town. I flew to Cape Town. I spoke for 5 minutes. I took pictures for an hour. And I was back at the airport, back to Joburg. Because I keep my word for the Patriots, man. Because I know what those guys are doing. It's going to save lives. I know stance is not a crime, and I know. But I left my son's confirmation lunch. I couldn't have, I had a starter, I had lunch. But when the dessert took too long, I'm like, I'm out. And I get gegooi. They were still there behind, living, sitting there. That's the love I have for the PA, man, and for the people. I flew 4 hours to speak for 5 minutes for PA people. Ek lewe vir die ding, man. And I'm not the only one. The whole NEC, hulle lewe vir die ding. And people live for this thing. Moet ons nie morsie mense. Los ons uit as hulle nie wil wees nie. Dra stories aan. Oh no, this MEC is being removed to make space for Liam. Others say, don't remove the MEC. Since when do you tell us what to do in this party? Do you think this party is here to serve your personal interest? Some of you think this party is here to serve your personal interest. Hier vat ons decisions. Moet nie vir ons mal maak nie. A minister gets appointed by the president. MECs, only one person that appoints the MEC is the premier. The premier appoints MECs. During the issue of GNU, there's different parties. The premier will ask us to forward the name of a party, but we do it only when the premier says this. So at the moment, we're waiting for Panyaza Lesufi, Premier Panyaza Lesufi, because our MEC resigned on instruction of the Secretary General of this party. Panyaza Lesufi will then, we're waiting for him to tell the MEC, to tell the Secretary General, can you forward us a name of a representation that I can appoint? But I don't appoint MECs. Kenny Kunene doesn't appoint MECs. The SG doesn't appoint MECs. It is the prerogative by law of Panyaza Lesufi. We expect him this week to call us and to give us a name. And I want to use this opportunity. The new MEC in the province of Gauteng is Evan Botha. Evan Botha is our new MEC. Congratulations, Evan Botha. May God bless you on this journey. Don't let this thing change you. Respect, give your reports to the Secretary General. Do the right thing and give your reports fortnightly to the Secretary General of what's happening there. Make sure that you follow party mandate because you're deployed by the party. Respect everyone. Nobody should threaten you with our names. The Secretary General will give you the political. She has the list of the people we will deploy there in that office. So congratulations, Evan Botha. You are our new MEC in Gauteng. serve our people very well. Talk to the Secretary General if you have any questions, but congratulations. And in conclusion, so Ivan, congratulations as our new MEC. In conclusion, I want to thank all the patriots that has left their houses, that are leaving their houses to go and campaign, leaving their children behind to go and campaign for the Patriotic Alliance. People that open their houses for people to sleep in. Thank you. Thank you for what you do for the PA. The office there of the SG, I want to thank those people too. People don't see how hard you work, how you don't sleep, how you work day and night, how you keep busy there. So this, for keeping that office together. I want to thank all of you. You have a bright future. You are teachable. To all the people in that office, I'm so proud of you. It showed me PA has a bright future. I love you guys. Love each other the same way that I love you. Care for each other. Be there for each other. Some patriots will ask the PA to do something, and if the PA doesn't do it, then they leave the PA. Hulle moet sommer gaan. Gaan. Hulle moet loop. We can't be always everywhere. We want to be everywhere, but we can't always be everywhere. But if your membership is based on, we need to do something now, you are the wrong party. My children knew, my kids were there to support their brother. They knew not even to, when I said to them, guys, Dad's going there, they're like, Dad, safe flight, safe flight. My two boys even walked me out of there. Safe flight, Dad, we love you, because they understand. I can't always be there, but I'm trying my best to be there. So thank you to everybody. Thank you. Thank you for what you're doing for the PA. Thank you for who you are. Salute. I love you guys. Take care.